Good afternoon. My name is Babatunde, aka Babson the Great. I want to talk about the TheHelpedOne graphic designer coach. It's a platform where you can learn how to design all types of flyers, be it birthday flyer, wedding flyer, calendar, ID card, and all types of graphic designing. If you want to become a master in graphic designing, if you want to become a full professional graphic designer, I want you to join the mastery course of the TheHelpedOne concept. The coach, Mrs. Chinaza Okonkwo Favor, she's been a wonderful and a great coach. She has trained a lot of people all across Nigeria and other African countries. I want you to partake from it because I'm one of the people who is blessed through her coaching